Hello, Dr. Allen again. We are moving into slice number 3 now. This is another sagittal section of the brain. However, it does not include a mid-sagittal section. So this side essentially picks up with where the lateral edge of the last block was. So let me show you that quickly here. Last block gave us the mid-sagittal view. This is block 4. And when I flipped it around, we were no longer able to see details within diencephalon, but we could see the lateral ventricle. So notice with slice number 3, we can see that same curving lateral ventricle. However, when I flip this slice around, we have a very different view now. You can't see the diencephalon. I can see more of the lateral ventricle, so it's giving me more details within that. But generally speaking, this block doesn't have as much detail, so you will not be able to find all of the features listed under sagittal sections in the handout. I'll point out what I can to you. So I've pointed out lateral ventricle. We can still see tufts of stuff within it that almost look like garbage. So that's choroid plexus with its capillaries that would have made cerebrospinal fluid in life. We can also still see cortex with gray matter versus white matter within it. We can still see the cerebrum hanging off the posterior side of the brain. Just going to check out both sides of that quick. Yeah, I thought this was the case. You can see the arbor vitae, the white matter within it, much more clearly in this view versus its own cortex here in the cerebellum. However, we are unable to see brainstem or diencephalon features or spinal cord features because, as you notice, it's not present. So that's it for slice number 3. We'll move on to the horizontal sections next.